We're in the dunes, as you know from the previous videos. It's a place we really like, and it's quiet. We're the only people here this morning. There's some people across the river. A whole bunch of things today, but the first one is how to make beer bread when you're camping. It's just so easy. The fire is basically ready. At home we've measured out the flour, so you need 500 grams of self-raising flour. Then just a pinch of salt. So we just mix the salt with the self-raising flour. The next thing is we've got olive oil, and it's a 1/4 cup. The next thing is a beer. Any beer. By using self-raising flour and beer, you don't need to wait for it to rise and knead it over and over again. This is just really easy. Got the pot. It's a cast iron pot. It works really well. The flour's in the mixture's in the pot. So what we're going to do now is put it in the fire. What we do with these, what they call Dutch ovens, you invert the lid. In this case the lid is flat, so it's easy. On the others you invert the lid and you put coals on the lid, and that creates an oven effect. Right, so you can see this lid is flat and it's got the little edge. The reason for that is that you can put coals on the top. So we will put that in the fire. And then we put some coals on the lid. So the bread's going. The bread has been going about an hour, and there we go. I don't think that's too bad. So the bread's ready. Looks very nice, but that's the bread. Easy recipe. 500 grams of self-raising flour, pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 beer, and that's it. So we'll see what that tastes like. So that's the bread. I think it looks very nice. Nicely cooked all the way through. Nice brown crust. Didn't overdo it. So this is the stick bread. So here are the two breads. This is the stick bread, just on a dowel stick, and this one was the remaining dough. We just put it on the grid. So that's just the doughy bit. It's like a little bread roll, and this is the stick bread. As soon as the stick turns and comes in and out easily, you know that the bread is cooked.